job.
Eat.
H.
B.
B. Good job.
E.
Well, it says I, but it's I. I says I. F. Good job.
V.
Good. V.
A.
U. U.
T.
Good. T.
S.
S.
O.
R. Q.
R.
A. X. Yes, is. As.
What?
Was. And. On. Daddy. Good. That. 6.
Is
You. What number is this?
what?
Good.
What?
4.
One.
No, 0. What's this?
0. T.
Good. Well, oh! Not a good idea. Can you show mommy this?
He.
Good. Let's not break it.
D.
Girl.
King.
Turtle. 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 Turtle.
E.
Yes. You're going to snap these. What's this? You have a pretty little one in your hair. A green one. What is this?
A bow.
A bow. B-O-W. Bow. Bow. Good.
A wow.
A raft. Giraffe. Giraffe. Can you open it for me?
What?
Good.
What?
Ooh, he has a long neck. Giraffe. You want to turn it over? What is the boy doing?
What?
Yes, a point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Point. You want to try another one? What is this?
B. E.
Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Boy. Can you turn it over? Can you turn it over? Good. Good. M-O-O-N. Moon. Can you tell me this word? No? Can you tell me this word? Okay. Do you still want this one? You like the boy. He has on red shirt. Yeah. Yay. You did a good job. You did. Yes, you did. What is this?
A dog.
Can you turn it over? What is that?
Mouse.
Mouse. Good job.
Dog.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Do you want this one?
Good.
What does it say?
Good.
Zebra. Can you say zebra?
Oh. A yellow.
Good. Gorilla. 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 Zebra. 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 It's black and white stripes. Hello, zebra. Gallop, 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 gallop. Thank you.
Wow.
Car. What color is this car?
Orange.
Yellow. C-A-R. R.
Tree.
Good. Swing. 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 S-W-I-N-G. Swing. Show mommy. Where's mommy's? Ear. Yeah, that's your ear. E-A-R. Ear.
Yum.
Yum.
Sing.
Chimpanzee.
And then
Yes, you're done.
bow.
Good. Soccer ball. Do you like to play with ball?
Read.
Reading. Good. The girl and boy are reading a book together. What are you reading?
Box.
Good. Ball. Good job.
Come.
Camel. Sally the camel have. Boom, boom.
Pig.
Pig. It's a black pig. You've torn this page, you know. Who did that? Blocks. A, B, C, D, E, F. F. Where's A? Where's A? Yay! Good job. Where's S? That's K. What letter is that? Good job. E. Do you see any other letters you want to tell me?
G.
Good. G. What other letters you want to tell me?
G. I.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Yes, read. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A.
P.
Qua, ra, a. Good. Wa, x, ya. Zoom. Good job.
No.
Rhinoceros. Close enough. White. White rabbit. What does this say?
Buck.
And what's this? Daddy. Okay, fine. Yes. Eyes. Can you tell me what that is?
Cat.
Cats. How many? Can we count them? 1, 2.
We.
That's right. 3. 3 cats. It's upside down. Closed. Push it. Push right there. Whoa.
No. Us.